Gagawa ako ngayon ng customized t-shirt print using heat transfer vinyl. And I'm using my locally cutting machine. And the design na gagamitin ko is ginawa ko lang din sa Loclick Idea Studio. And what I like about this cutting machine is aside sa sobrang mura, after 2 years na yata, maganda pa rin yung cut, malinis pa din, and I have no complaints about this machine. Next is iwiwid or tatanggalin na natin yung mga excess vinyls sa ating design, and I'm using this 6-piece toolkit for weeding vinyls. I will use my HT Veron 10x10 portable heat press, and the setting is 150 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. So, after pressing, and then palamigin lang ng konti, and then tanggalin na natin yung kanyang protective film. So, ayan na. Simple design. Ang bilis lang gawin, and so neat. And you can make your own original design for your t-shirt.